get. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Uzma and today I'm here at Dr. Shafaq's clinic, The Lemonade. I was here just a few days ago for my hydrofacial. और ये मेरा second experience था hydrofacial का, and I had such an amazing experience that I'm just forced to share my feedback, because I'm sure there are a lot of girls out there who hesitate, just like I was so hesitant. Okay, obviously, skin ka mamla, you need to be sure that you're in the right hands, and on top of that, being in the right hands, another thing that you really want to look into is the hygiene factor. So when this hydrofacial newly came out, uski ek bahut badi hype thi, and it was just like it just sounded like magic. And unfortunately, मेरा पहला experience जहाँ से मैंने पहले करवाया था, I wasn't so satisfied. There was not much of a difference, rather any difference on my skin. And then a few months down the line, obviously I was feeling that I was a bit tan, and मेरी skin जो है बहुत dull सी हो रही थी. And I came across Dr. Shafaq's page on Instagram. And I saw a lot of positive reviews, and I was then again tempted to come and pay a visit. And आने से पहले मैंने इनको पहले फ़ोन पे राब्ता किया, and the best part was that the response was instant. I mean, I remember my journey जब मैं पहले ये चीज़ search कर रही थी, मैंने 2-3 चीज़ें जो हैं shortlist की थी. But it's just so difficult to get a hold of anybody. पहले तो आपको किसी से बात नहीं हो सकती, और फिर जब होती है, it's just somebody who doesn't even know what they're talking about. So the best thing about this place that I felt was when I came in, it wasn't just like a hydrofacial and they, लिटा देते और procedure शुरू करते हैं, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. Dr. Shafaq herself gave a consultation. She came and tested and assessed my skin. And मैं तो इतनी चीज़ें लाई थी कि मैं ये भी करवाऊँगी, and I want to do this and I want to do this because I have this function coming up, and I just wanted to just have this, knock 10 years off my age. So the best part about Dr. Shafaq was the time she invested in me and the patience she instilled. वो आजकल आपको आप देखें कोई डॉक्टर नहीं करता. And the honesty that she gave was something that really won my heart, क्योंकि आजकल everybody is just out there to mint money. But मैं जो चीज़ कह रही थी वो मुझे साथ साथ गाइड कर रही थी कि आपकी स्किन को इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. We had a very long discussion, and I am still recovering. I still have some patches, but I feel a difference because I've seen my before and after, and I'm loving this. I feel so much fresh, and ज़्यादा खुशी तब होती है जब आप एक ट्रीटमेंट कराते हैं और आप किसी के पास जाते हैं और वो खुद आपसे पूछता है कि you're looking nice or you're looking fresh. That's when you know that your money was well invested. And यहाँ पे कोई चीज़ छुपी नहीं थी. अगर मैं कंपेयर करूँ अपने previous experience से, तो वो bottles में जो था वो था, we don't have so much knowledge. यहाँ पे I came prepared this time, and I did do my research, and everything was out in the open. And वो मेरे सामने bottles में उन्होंने वो सारे refills किए, and she was guiding me step by step. किस step पे आपको sting करेगा, कहाँ पे आपको prickling feel होगी, कहाँ पे आपको जलन feel होगी, वो सारी चीज़ें जब आपको साथ साथ आपको डॉक्टर explain करता है ना, so that's just great. You're in the right hands. You're in somebody's hands who's actually, genuinely looking after you and doing your treatment. So the best experience ever. I mean, I'm here again to get another hair treatment. That's how happy I am. So girls, don't hesitate, and please don't waste your time. Please do visit Dr. Shafaq, and I'm sure you'll love the experience.